What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon. You're watching Crypto Review Central. We've been talking a lot about the perfect storm and a lot of market factors that are contributing to not only this downturn in the market and the price of Bitcoin plummeting to just above $6,000, and a lot of other factors that are likely to cause a trend reversal, all of which is completely speculative and much of which is highly anticipated. One of the more interesting topics as of lately is not only the criminal investigation into cryptocurrency price manipulation by the Department of Justice and the Commodities and Futures Trading Commission, but Tom Lee from FinTech has talked recently about the gut-wrenching decline that we've seen so far this year. FinTech is a Wall Street strategy firm and believes it has finally identified the reason why the market keeps tanking, only to rise up and see a big bull run. Writing in a recent note to clients, Tom Lee stated that the Bitcoin price tends to decline leading into futures expiration dates, suggesting that these products are a major driver of Bitcoin's movements. Bitcoin sees dramatic price changes around CBOE futures expirations. This was something flagged by Justin Saslaw at Raptor Group. They've compiled some of the data, and this seems to be indeed true. Overall, Bitcoin has fallen 18% in the 10 days prior to the CBOE contract expiration, and I have been outlining that this week, noting a number of other factors that are likely contributing to the decline and the eventual bull run that we are hopefully going to see. There is significant volatility around these expirations, and on average, the price recovered by day 6 following the expiration. Previously, FinTech had attributed the market downturn to tax-based selling, as traders who took profits in 2017 were forced to sell some of their remaining holdings to cover their capital gains liabilities. However, contrary to that prediction, the Bitcoin price did not see any sustained recovery following the income tax return deadline. Now the firm is joining a growing number of voices who have connected futures to the recent market downturn. Many investors and analysts believed that the CME Bitcoin futures would legitimize cryptocurrency in the eyes of institutional investors and cause an opening of those floodgates, similar to what we saw back in December. Instead, however, institutions have remained on the sidelines, waiting to get in. Many are speculating that they're waiting for a good entry point, but with the recent decline in the market and no significant institutional interest, that theory doesn't really pan out in my opinion. A recent research report published by the US Federal Reserve suggested that the launch of Bitcoin futures triggered the start of the present bear market, largely because it gave bears their first real opportunity to short the Bitcoin price. However, others allege that the decline has been a natural correction in response to suspicious market activity during last year's bull run. Researchers at the University of Texas released a 66-page report suggesting that Tether's dollar-pegged USDT token may have been used to artificially inflate the Bitcoin prices on several exchanges. And I did outline this article yesterday. I was sharing this article to the live stream over at Blockchain yesterday, and although it is very lengthy, it brings up some incredibly good points that really prove scientifically that there is evidence towards Tether affecting the price of Bitcoin. It is a very controversial and fascinating topic to discuss, and really for the investors' sake, I hope this criminal investigation into price manipulation sheds some light and really slaps some wrists of big players that are pushing around the price of Bitcoin for their own benefit. All of this is speculative, and much will depend on what light gets shed from this criminal investigation. All we can do is continue to monitor the markets as they evolve at a rapid pace and hopefully see the price of Bitcoin break that $10,000 psychological barrier and the market cap can approach the $1 trillion market cap that I do personally believe it is destined for. We will be covering all of the details on the criminal investigation as they become available, so keep it locked right here at Crypto Review Central. And don't forget to comment below. Let us know what you think. Is Bitcoin really untethered? As well, include your Bitcoin wallet address, because as soon as we hit 200 likes on a video, we will be raffling off $50 worth of Bitcoin. My name is Landon. You're watching Crypto Review Central. Thank you for watching, and until next time.